Hi guys. So, ito na guys, kita nyo yung nangyari sa blizzard. So, this is between Canada and United States. So, para tayong nasa freezer. Frozen lahat ng bahay. Ito yung day after. So, talagang napuno ng ice ang lahat ng bahay. So, kami rin sa loob ng bahay napakalamig. Hi guys. So, um, ngayon lang ulit kami upload ng video. It's because we had a snowstorm like blizzard here in Canada as well as the US. I feel bad for all the people that was affected through the blizzard. And kahit na kami guys, na-stuck kami sa house over the winter because of the blizzard. Nagkaroon din ng konting interruption sa electricity for a couple of hours. So, especially meron kaming, infant. So, we're glad na bumalik agad. Others are really affected. And, yeah, ngayon medyo okay na. The weather is settling down. So, I'm outside actually, nag-double check ako ng mga pipes namin, making sure. So you can check, you can see guys yung water pipe namin, check ko, make sure kasi we'll have a warm weather and in the next few days, rain tomorrow as well. So all of this ice and water. So I just wanna make sure that there will be no flood here sa backyard namin. And making sure na yung flow ng water is okay, mga pipes, and even my dog here checking out everything. So yung pipe kasi is palabas, so just wanna check dito rin sa deck and even our front. I just wanna make sure everything is in place. So we have a lot of snow and I just want to make sure na hindi mapa-flood yung ito sa surroundings natin. So, yeah. Double check natin. Okay, so yan guys, all ice. So, dito rin yung front namin. Making sure ito rin yung isang pipe dito sa front. So, all the way there. Okay. Looks like we're in the right order. So, guys, check out this news because a lot of people are really affected. We also have, I couldn't even, take a video when the storm hits. It's because I'm so focused on the whole family, making sure that everyone's safe. So, we're home, trying to gather some emergency supplies, heat. Importante yung heat guys kasi winter time, it's so cold. So check out the news, nilagay ko dito. Yan guys, dami-daming snow sa harap ng mga bahay. Halos hindi ma-open yung door. Hindi mo na makita kung ano yung nasa harap.
The Santiagos were among thousands of residents of western New York whose Christmas holidays were disrupted, sometimes perilously, by the enormous storm that left 4 feet of snow in Buffalo before moving south Sunday. Even in a region known for fierce winter weather, the blizzard left Buffalo especially paralyzed, with rescue workers themselves stranded in ambulances and other emergency vehicles across the city. The death toll across Erie and Niagara counties rose to 17 on Sunday, and officials said that tally was likely to rise. In Erie, the youngest victim was 26, the oldest was 93.
Ang lapit lang nito sa amin guys, 2 hours away. So look at it, big difference. So kahit na kami talagang stranded, harap ito, hindi ka na makakalabas.
State emergency responders have assisted in nearly 500 rescues, including helping to deliver a baby, officials said Sunday evening.
Ganito kalakas yung hangin guys, 70 miles per hour.
County officials put out a call for volunteers to help, and a request that they provide their own snowmobiles. Buffalo Niagara International Airport announced it would be shut down until Tuesday morning, and thousands of customers across the region remained without power and heat.
So, yan, stranded na, hindi na makakalabas. Ice na lahat. Footage ito sa taas ng bahay. Mga nasa Buffalo.
Western New York bore the brunt of the holiday storm, but other parts of the country were also dealing with downed power lines and bitter cold that scrambled travel plans. More than 3,000 flights were canceled, and there were over 9,500 delays reported Sunday, according to FlightAware.com, which tracks airline schedules.
Stranded na lahat ng mga sasakyan. Hindi na makaalis. Halos zero visibility na rin. Sobrang lamig din nito guys.
Power was out for tens of thousands of customers from Appalachia to Maine. In Buffalo, with professional rescuers slow to arrive, and shelters often unreachable, residents improvised.
Tutulungan na lang para hindi ma-stuck sa lamig. Kahit ang mga aso, hindi na maka-walking kasing tangkad na nila yung snow. Sometimes mas taas pa yung snow sa kanila.
A restaurant became a hotel, bunking stranded people atop the bar. Doctors and nurses interrupted Christmas celebrations to make house calls. A couple took in a busload of Korean tourists who cooked Christmas Eve dinner. A tow truck driver helped deliver life-saving medicine.
Yung iba talagang nag-Christmas na sa ibang bahay na stranded eh.
Blizzard Facebook groups popped up overnight, with stranded residents begging for help. More than one family sought out a midwife to coach a pregnant woman through labor. Christopher Pulinsky put out a call for help reuniting with his 17-year-old son, stuck home alone in the neighborhood of Elmwood Village. A stranger with a snowmobile replied that he was on his way. On Christmas morning, Chris Giardina, 43, who owns Jardy's Towing and
Buti na lang may mga snowmobile yung iba, may pang-rescue sa snow.
Recovery in Buffalo received an urgent call from a woman stuck in a snowbank in the middle of a median along Main Street in front of Sisters of Charity Hospital, where she had just picked up insulin for her husband.
Mountain of snow na. Daan yan guys. Yan yung road.
Right in the middle of the road.
Snow squall warnings are in effect for parts of southern Ontario, including areas that were already hard hit by blizzard conditions over the past few days. Environment Canada is warning of up to 30 additional cm of snow for parts of Niagara Falls, Welland, and southern Niagara region by Tuesday afternoon. Snow squalls over Lake Erie are moving northward toward southern portions of the Niagara Peninsula, the weather agency said.
Talagang zero visibility na.
Snow squalls are expected through the day Monday and into Tuesday afternoon before moving south of the area. Along the shoreline of Lake Erie, 30 centimeters is possible along with blowing snow due to winds gusting near 60 kilometers per hour, the weather agency said.
Buong hapon ng ulan ng snow guys.
The region has already faced blizzard conditions over the past few days, leading to widespread road closures.
Napakadelikadong magmaneho pag ganito.
On Saturday, emergency alerts were also issued for Fort Erie and Port Colborne, advising people to stay off the roads due to poor conditions. A snow squall watch is in effect for Dunnville, Caledonia, and Haldimand, with up to 20 centimeters possible there, particularly close to the lake. The Bruce Peninsula, Orillia, and Perry Sound areas are also under snow squall warnings, with up to 50 centimeters possibly by Tuesday afternoon, according to Environment Canada.
So ito na yung mga affected na area guys. Buti na lang sa amin hindi masyadong ganito. So yeah guys, so yan yung news. Daming affected talaga. So I feel sorry sa mga iba na stranded, nawalan ng kuryente, at saka may mga namatay din guys. So feel bad. Well, yung mga ganito guys, we need to be prepared. So yeah, kaya double check ko dito sa labas every now and then pag nakikita ko sa weather na may mga hindi magandang weather na parating. But we'll have a rain. So ito na yung sinasabi nilang climate change kasi winter time, tataas yung temperature, at saka uulan. So lahat ng ice melt. It's gonna be it will turn into water. So lahat ng ito magiging water. So we'll figure out, make sure tomorrow na ma-check ko siya every now and then pagka nagsimula na yung ulan. Alright guys, we'll keep posting video, and thank you for watching our video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.